10 continues with no wait weather.
What a beautiful day across the valley, but now all eyes turn towards the second half of the weekend. A winter storm developing out in the Rocky Mountains and Cascades right now will be impacting our region. Now, this is a winter storm watch that's been hoisted by the National Weather Service for most of our area, and it lasts from Wednesday out west all the way through Saturday to the east. It's going to bring wind and some heavy bands of snow and a couple of different waves. And here's an update to the model that we showed you last time. As we take you into the day tomorrow, many of us here will see increasing clouds throughout the day. We will all experience cooler temperatures, and our wind will shift directions and become more northerly as we go toward the latter portion of our Wednesday. So rain tomorrow. It doesn't look particularly heavy, so that's good news for our viewers in the Northern Valley for tomorrow. But as we go into Thursday, watch what happens. The rain bands get heavier. We have throughout the day on Thursday, rain changing to snow in the eastern third of North Dakota. And the main snow band will push its way in. This event is going to cause heavy snow in portions of western and central North Dakota, even in our westernmost counties from the Devil's Lake Basin to the Jamestown area. You will already be getting accumulations by Thursday night. For us in the valley, we could be getting rain that might mix with a few flakes or even some sleet as we get going throughout our day. But by late in the day and into Friday morning, many of us in the Red River Valley will see this change over to snow, while it will continue to rain across portions of northwest Minnesota. Roseau County waterlogged. Many in the Northern Valley seeing some moderate to heavy rain showers. Friday and into the day on Saturday, this storm system intensifies as it goes through the northern plains, and then it sits here for about a day and a half. And it's going to produce some windy conditions and a second band of moderate to heavy snow as we go through the day from Friday and into Saturday. That continues all the way till Saturday night before this thing kind of weakens. You see the number of isobars reduce there, and that means, well, it's still going to be cloudy as we close out our weekend. But here is a look at one model. This is the American model showing us some snow potential, and it has some really ridiculous numbers here, 3 feet of snow. Is that what Hutch is forecasting? No, but what I want to do is point out that as forecasters, we compare models to see if there's like trends. And this model has shifted the snow west. So now much of Minnesota not expecting to see what we talked about last night. As we look at the European model, it's been more consistent and is keeping most of the heavier snow off to the west. So here's what we know about that. Our western counties, more confidence that we'll have some significant snow totals on the ground from the first wave, like 6 to 12 inches. Then that second wave comes through, and right now, if it moves through the valley, we could see 6 to 12 here. Anybody that gets snow both times, in other words, from Wednesday night all the way through Saturday, could see some of those 12 to 18 inch totals. Isolated places could see more. Impacts of the storm we've talked about a lot. Impossible travel, tree damage, downed branches and power lines a possibility. Freezing hoses and pipes. Remember, the livestock and high-profile vehicles will have to battle winds as we go through the day. Here's where the storm is right now in the Pacific Northwest. As we take a look at your temperatures, we've cooled to the 50s north, still holding on to 60 in Fargo. Increasing clouds tomorrow. Our southern and eastern counties will have a chance to warm up, but nothing like today. We'll be in the mid-60s for most. Temperatures up in the Devil's Lake Basin will be dropping into the 30s for the afternoon. So for Fargo, morning clouds continue to increase. Winds become northerly. Temperatures only near 60 for Fargo. A little warmer south and east, and how about 30s for Devil's Lake? Here's a photo that's been shared with us by Tracy. Thanks so much. The Naytawash area looking beautiful this fall season. Forecast looks mighty sloppy all the way through Saturday, and then the temperatures late in the forecast period there will depend on how much snow we have on the ground, but it does look a little quieter.
Quite a difference between Wednesday and Thursday.
Yes.
All right, thanks.